Hey there, Jess here from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through an exercise to release through the back of the shoulder. So you're going to use a Franklin ball or a soft ball about the size of a grapefruit. Going to pop that under the arm just above the elbow. So from there, doing a few circles, and then you're going to run into rotation through that shoulder, external, internal rotation, and just allowing that ball to just move a little bit as you go. Doing 8 to 10 rotations in that position. Bring the ball in a little bit further, and we're going to do another 8 to 10 rotations there. And then as you go, another spot further, 8 to 10 there. And then you're coming into closer into the muscles of the actual shoulder itself. So from there, you're going to do back to those rotations again. And if you need to get a bit more pressure, you can put the hand onto the shoulder and push into the ball a little bit more. And then you can bring the shoulder in a bit further, the ball in a bit further. Go into those rotations. 6 to 8 of those ones. Give it a roll around again. Again, hand on that shoulder. If you need more pressure, push into the ball. Ball back again. So here we're working on probably more tender area for most people. So just go to what you're comfortable with. And you're working that ball into circles again. Go back the other way. And then into that rotation. So this will be a really nice release through the muscles of the shoulder blade, through the muscles of the thorax, even up into the muscles that move up into the neck as well. So then coming in, so about here you'll be on the inside of the shoulder blade, and you're running into that rotation again, about 6 to 8 in that position. Again, just challenging the range, not pushing too far through it. These reps will gradually increase your range as you go. You can do a few rotations there, around the other way. And then moving the ball down a bit further, just down to the lower part of the inside of the shoulder blade. Going through those rotations once again, and some circles. 6 to 8 of each along the way. You'll find some areas are tighter, some areas are more tender. Feel free to do more work in those areas. And if you need to, you can also put a towel or a pillow under the neck. But try and keep that as relaxed as you can. Then take the ball away, place the shoulder back down, and just have a feel of the difference side to side that you feel in those shoulders, and then repeat on the other side.